Hello, this is Tash Tyres. I've got a Suzuki Grand Vitara here on a 2007 plate. Just gonna replace the wiper blades, the most easiest one you can do. It's quite simple. Usually I would do it with two people working, but with this one I can do it on my own. As you can see, this little clip right here, you lift the wipers up, gently push the clip in. That's it, the wipers are out. Make sure this doesn't drop, the wiper arm doesn't drop on the windscreen, you will damage it. So you've got the old one out. Now I've got the new one right here, which is SB19 Bosch Super Plus. They're quite expensive wiper blades. Now that's a new one right there. So there's only one way they would go. So if I slot it through from the top, as you can see right there, I've slotted through from the top. I then gently pull it towards myself, and that's it. That's all done. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out. This is just a little secret with regards to changing your wipers on this one. It's quite a simple one. You can do it yourself. You don't have to go to a workshop, but if you did, just go. No problem. Thank you very much. Goodbye.